Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already done so, then please do subscribe. This is just going to be a quick video of a skincare review. I've been using this company called The Ordinary for the last month or so, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I think about their products and how it's worked for my skin. So the first thing I want to say about the company is that it's really affordable. Like, I was shocked at how cheap the products were, so that was the first thing that drew me to the company. So I was like, let me see if these products are actually good. I bought 3 products. The first thing that I bought is this. It's the Niacinamide. I don't know how to pronounce that, with zinc. I think that's another way of saying vitamin B3. So there are quite a few benefits of this, and it has great reviews on their website. I'm going to link everything below after I've mentioned them, but you guys should definitely check out their website because it has such great reviews. It says that this is a high strength vitamin mineral formula, and it helps with blemishes, so it reduces the sebum on your pores and it minimises pores as well, and it balances out your skin producing oil and stuff like that, so it helps to mattify the skin and just reduce any extra shine on your face. I would say that this has been really good so far. I feel like my skin feels a lot more refreshed and a lot more smoother, and I've noticed that it isn't actually as shiny as what it used to be. So the 3 products that I'm using together, I think they've been working in conjunction together to help my skin just feel a bit better. Something just fell. I would say that this product's good for controlling shine, reducing the appearance of blemishes, and it also helps to brighten your skin. So if you're looking to add something new into your skincare regime, then I'd definitely say to get your hands on this. Because I have my skin's weird. I have combination skin, so it's like it's super shiny and oily at the same time, but then it can get really dry. So I like to use like a thick cream in the night or an oil. And when I went to the shop, I told them that I used to use coconut oil, and that can clog your pores. I noticed that my nose was getting quite filled up and it's like a bit gross and congested. So I wanted something that was light and hydrating, but it didn't screw up my pores or made my skin more bumpy. So they told me about the 100% plant-derived squalane. So this is an oil, and it's very hydrating. I really love this product. I think it's, for me, out of the 3, maybe I'd say this is number 1 out of the 3 that I have so far, because it's really hydrating. It doesn't clog up your pores. It makes your skin feel really refreshed and not dry at all. Like, once I wash my face, like you know, sometimes you can get that really dry, cracked feeling. It's fine. My face feels completely fine and so smooth. I just want to show you what it looks like. All of the bottles are like in little squeezy things as well. This is what it looks like. They come in bottles like this. You open them up and they have a little drip thing in there, so it makes it easy for you to measure out how much you're going to use, and it reduces any wastage of the products. I love the little packaging, it's so cute. And you can use these after, once they've run out, then you can definitely refill these and use these for something else, any of your skincare and beauty products. The great thing about this is that it's hydrating, it's non-greasy, it's also odourless as well, which is nice because sometimes some smells can be a bit overpowering. It doesn't clog your pores, and it has hydrocarbons in, which are naturally found in your skin, so it won't irritate. I think it works on all skin types, sensitive skin to normal skin. So if you're looking for something that can help to hydrate your skin without clogging your pores, then definitely get your hands on this. And I've read some reviews as well. I haven't done this yet, but you can also use it in your hair. So if you suffer from dry breakage and stuff like that, then you can use this in your hair, like argan oil and coconut oil and stuff like that. But I will need to try that out and let you know what I think about that. The last one I want to talk about is this one. It's Retinoid. So it's a concentrated formula in the squalane that I talked about previously, so it helps with hydration and anti-aging as well. Retinoid is a term to describe vitamin A derivatives that unclog pores, boost collagen to reduce fine lines and to speed up cell turnover, so it can even out discoloration and it smooths out the skin. I just read a little paragraph there. You guys should definitely do your research if you want to start using retinoids. I'm going to link down a little Oprah article as well that you can go in further and read more about retinoids and how they can benefit your skin. It's really good because it's an anti-aging formula, and it's great for texturized skin. I suffer from quite a lot of texture. I definitely pores on my nose, and I've noticed that it's helped to smooth it out and to reduce any roughness on my skin. This product is great for regenerating the skin. It smooths it out and makes it more refreshed, and it makes your skin dewy. I've also noticed that it's helped to reduce my acne scars, because I have quite a few on the side of my face, because I get extreme breakouts sometimes. My skin's just a bit all over the place. So yeah, because it's like turning over your skin, it's generating new skin cells, so it helps to smooth out everything. But definitely, if you're going to use this, then definitely use an SPF. You can't use it in conjunction with other retinoids because I think they just damage each other. And this is, just to note, these products aren't acne treatments, none of them are, but they definitely help with your acne and the appearance of them, to reduce them and to help with any scarring. So if you're looking for a hardcore acne treatment, then I don't know if these would be best for you, but for someone who suffers from acne, acne prone skin, I definitely feel like these products have been good for me, and they're helping to reduce my the appearance of acne and make my skin feel smoother as well. So yeah, you should definitely get your hands on these. All of the products are affordable, so yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys use anything and let me know how they've worked for you. I'm going to link everything below, and I will put a little article about the retinoid in the description as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. That was just a quick review on all of my ordinary skincare products. They also do foundations, which I'm really excited about, and they're cheap as well, so I'm definitely going to get my hand on some of those and let you guys know what I think. Yeah, so if you enjoyed that video, please give it a like and definitely subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Bye.